Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Alpana. In this video, we are going to learn about the respiratory system. Generally, we know that the process in which gases exchanged between the body and the outside atmosphere is respiration. The term respiration is not limited only up to breathing in and out, but the release of energy through this process is known as respiration. Respiration does not depend only on availability of oxygen, it may also take place in absence of oxygen. Depending upon that, oxygen dependent respiration and oxygen independent respiration are also two types, which are as follows. Aerobic respiration, respiration in which there is liberation of energy in presence of oxygen is known as aerobic respiration. And anaerobic respiration, respiration which is not dependent on oxygen for liberation of energy, or respiration which takes place without oxygen is known as anaerobic respiration. The complicated process of respiration is completed by combining these two steps, that is breathing and cellular respiration. First one, breathing. The process which includes entry of air into lungs and air with more quantity of carbon dioxide thrown out of lung is known as breathing. The exchange of gases into blood also takes place with this. Second, cellular respiration, or it is also known as internal respiration. This process includes the delivery of dissolved gases to each and every cell of body via red blood cells. Following are the components in human respiratory system: nostrils, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchiole and alveolus. First one, nostril. Human respiratory tract start from nostrils. Air gets filtered by small hair while entering through nostrils. That's why large particles of dust are prevented from entering into lungs. Mucus is secreted through Bowman's gland in nostril. Second, pharynx. This part contributes to both trachea and esophagus. The meeting point of a pharynx and larynx is known as glottis. This glottis is covered by a typical type of membrane known as epiglottis. This epiglottis gets closed at a time of swallowing of food, which prevents the food from entering into trachea. Instead, it directly enters into esophagus, and in this way chuckle do not occur. The meeting point of pharynx with the esophagus is known as gullet. Third one, larynx. Air entered through pharynx is sent toward the trachea through larynx. Sound is produced by this part of respiratory tract, so it is also known as sound box. Larynx also contains vocal cords. Vocal cords are responsible for production of sound. Fourth one, trachea. Its shape resembles the letter C of English because it is made of C-shaped rings which are incompletely from backside. Trachea helps in conduction of air. Fifth one, bronchi. Trachea divides into two parts to form bronchi. Out of these two, one enters into right lung while other enters into left lung. The right bronchus is more wider, shorter and more straight than the left bronchus. That's why any foreign body entering gets stuck in right bronchus. Sixth one, lungs. Lungs are the main organ in the respiratory system which are situated in the chest cavity on either sides of a heart. Following are the components of lung. Each lung is covered by a double-layered membrane known as a pleura. First one, bronchiole. Bronchi divides into two secondary branches after entering into lung, and those branches divide again to form smaller branches. The smaller branches are known as bronchioles. Second, alveolus. Bronchioles form a numerous small balloons like air cell at their ends known as alveolus. Alveolus is the structural and functional unit of lung. It means that whole lung is made up of alveoli. Human lung has 750 million alveoli. This is about the organs involved in a respiratory system. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.